Hi, welcome to all of you in today's video. Today I'm going to talk about Coca Hole reviews, and in this video you will get to know whether this website is legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website, and if you have never ordered anything from this website before, then in this unbiased review I will help you in deciding the answer to this question, that is, should I buy from it or not. Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then do watch this video till the end, as I will share a way to get your money back at the end of this video. Guys, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Cocahole.com is an online fashion store where you can see women clothing are available at impressive prices. Their pricing is really attractive as all of the products are available on huge discounts. Guys, you can pay for your purchase using multiple payment options including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, etc. Now let us have a look at the shipping information, and let us see what information is given here regarding the shipping time. So here on their shipping info page, you will see that they provide you 15 to 30 days time, and they also charge $4.99 for standard shipping. Now guys, before talking about this website further, I would like to request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as it will motivate us to make more such informative videos for you. Now let us talk about those important points on which we can judge Cocahole.com website to be a legit or scam one. So we found a valid HTTPS connection for this website, that is a good sign. Also, we came to know that the website was registered on 8th September 2020. The domain name is still too new to be relied upon. Now let us have a look at the About Us information. So here on their About Us page, you will find a very limited information, and this is really disappointing to see. Coming to the prices, guys, prices are too good to be true and unbelievable, and that is again a suspicious thing here. However, you can pay using various payment modes, and that is a good thing. Now let us have a look at the Contact Us page. And here on their Contact Us page, you will see that they are providing you with only an email address that does not matches to the domain name of the website. This is a scam sign here and is again disappointing. Coming to the social media presence, guys, the Cocahole.com is not active on any social media platform, and that is not a good thing here again. Now let us see the return policy page, and let us check what all information is provided here. So here they are providing you with 30 days time, and in case you are not satisfied, you can return your product within 30 days. Guys, if you have any experience regarding the return or refund policy of the website, then do let us know about it in the comment box below. Coming to the customer reviews, guys, we could not find any customer reviews for the website, as the website was recently registered. Talking about the content quality of the website, the content quality is poor, as the website does not provide detailed information regarding their contact, About Us page. So content quality overall is not good. Guys, giving our final verdict, I would declare Cocahole.com website to be a scam one, as we could see poor content quality and lack of social media presence for this website. Also guys, do share your thoughts about this video in the comment box below. Guys, if you want to get your money back wasted on scam products and website, then do check the link given in the description area. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video, and have a beautiful day.